Introducing 2020 Vision from Jamaica Health Box. These capsules are crafted to naturally support your eye health, providing essential nutrients for clear and vibrant vision. A natural solution rooted in Jamaican tradition. What are the benefits? Firstly, powerful antioxidants help protect your eyes from damaging free radicals. Secondly, these capsules support macular health, crucial for central vision. And thirdly, they may reduce eye strain, especially important in our digital age. What makes 2020 Vision unique? It's the blend of natural herbs. Bilberry, known for its antioxidant properties. Lutein, vital for macular pigment. Zeaxanthin, another key carotenoid. And vitamin A, essential for overall eye function. All working synergistically. Why choose 2020 Vision? Because it's a natural approach to eye health, gentle yet effective, rooted in the wisdom of Jamaican herbal traditions, supporting your vision the way nature intended, with fewer side effects than harsh chemicals. Ready to support your eye health naturally? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to order your 2020 Vision capsules, or call us at 1-929-314-0106. See the world more clearly, naturally, with Jamaica Health Box.